if you have a dry, sensitive or combination skin, you want to be very intentional when choosing your skincare. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Irene. Hope you all are having an amazing day today. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 best dermatologist approved body washes for dry, sensitive skin. These are not just trending products, they are not just popular products, but they actually contain ingredient that works. First thing first, guys, if you have a dry, sensitive or combination skin, you want to be very intentional when choosing your skincare, starting from your body wash, because the wrong product is going to strip your skin of its natural moisture and is going to damage your skin barrier. So if your skin feels tight or flaky or irritated, especially after a shower, then you want to watch this video to the end, because I will be sharing 5 best body wash that is gentle, that is not stripping, and that is hydrating all day long. On my list is the Roche-Posay Lipikar AP Plus body wash. This body wash is gentle on the skin, it is not strippy, and is specially formulated for dry, sensitive skin. It has niacinamide in it, which calms redness and irritation. It also has shea butter in it that deeply nourish and soften the skin. It also have their signature thermal spring water that soothes and add antioxidant protection to it. It is fragrance free and it is gentle on the skin. It is dermatologist approved. The next up is the Dove Nourishing body wash. This body wash is affordable, it is rich, it is creamy, and guess what? It does not dry your skin out. It makes use of plant-based cleanser and a moisture renew blend with glycerin that helps to attract moisture in your skin and maintain hydration. This particular product, immediately you use it, your skin is going to feel soft, smooth, clean, but never strip. It is great for everyday use and it is very accessible. And the third on our list is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash is your to-go if your skin feels irritated after a shower. This is the body wash that you want to go for. The key ingredient in this body wash is collagen oatmeal, which is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps to calm irritation. It also has glycerin that helps to attract moisture in the skin and lock it in. It is soapy free, it is dye free, and it is formulated especially for sensitive skin. Fourth on our list is the CeraVe hydrating body wash. Of course, we cannot talk about hydration without adding CeraVe. Their body wash, the hydrating body wash, is packed with hyaluronic acid, ceramide. Guys, hyaluronic acid, you already know what it does. It helps to attract moisture into your skin, it helps to plump your skin, and it helps to lock in moisture, leaving your skin hydrated all day long. The ceramide helps to restore and support your skin moisture barrier. Guys, this particular product is very good if you have a dry, sensitive skin. This product is good for you and it is also very accessible. Yes, it is dermatologist approved. Another product, the last but definitely not the least, is this one from the Naturium, the Booster Hyaluronic Acid body wash. This body wash is the powerhouse of hydration. It has the starting ingredient in this body wash is hyaluronic acid. It has glycerin in it. Guys, if you get this body wash, I'm not joking, this body wash has everything hydrating in it. It has hyaluronic acid that helps to attract in moisture to your skin and lock it in. It also has glycerin that also helps to bind the moisture in your skin. It also has other powerful ingredients in it that helps to support your skin moisture barrier. It helps to protect your skin moisture barrier. It helps to even out your skin. It helps to plump your skin, and it has antioxidant property in it that helps to protect your skin against free radicals that lead to early aging. And guys, if you are looking for something that will moisturize your skin, that will even out your skin, that will smooth your skin, this one, oh god, is the best. So guys, dry skin does not have to be your norms. These 5 products I just listed is going to help you keep your skin smooth, soft and hydrated all the long. So let me know which one makes you feel more excited, and let me know the one that you're going to be trying out, guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.